Xiaomi has officially announced the imminent launch of its highly anticipated flagship smartphone, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Following a flurry of rumors, the company confirmed that the grand unveiling will take place at an exclusive event in China on February 22nd at 19 Guan local time, with a global debut scheduled for February 25th at the prestigious MWC 2024 event. This announcement comes hot on the heels of the successful introduction of the Xiaomi 14 series in China last year, further solidifying Xiaomi's position as a leader in the smartphone industry. One of the most striking features of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is its comprehensive camera design overhaul. Boasting Xiaomi's cutting-edge materials and meticulous attention to detail, the smartphone undergoes a significant transformation aimed at enhancing its simplicity and functionality. From its sleek shape to its ergonomic handle and joints, every aspect of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra has been meticulously crafted to provide users with an unparalleled experience. At the heart of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra lies an innovative, micro-curved screen designed to immerse users in a visually stunning experience. With a focus on elegance and simplicity, the smartphone boasts a refined design language that exudes sophistication. Its meticulously crafted metal frame, featuring larger bilateral inclination and smoother lines, offers a perfect fit for the palm of your hand, ensuring optimal comfort during prolonged use. Additionally, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra introduces a revamped classic camera ring design, adding a touch of elegance to its overall aesthetic. While complete specifications and press images of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra have already made their way online, eager fans can expect to receive official confirmation of the device's features and capabilities in the coming days. The smartphone is set to make its official debut next Thursday at 7 p.m. China time, 4:30 p.m. IST, promising to usher in a new era of innovation and excellence in the world of smartphones. By the way, nowadays it seems like phone companies are out of ideas for their flagship smartphone design. First, iPhone 15 series, then Samsung Galaxy S24 series, and now Xiaomi 14 series. They all just look exactly like their predecessors. What do you guys think of smartphone designs nowadays? Do you think the way the world is changing? Smartphone companies should come up with something that can match the pace of the technology and the likings of people. Also, stay tuned for more updates by subscribing to our channel as we count down to the arrival of Xiaomi's latest masterpiece, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.